And the second half underway. Vamos! Everything is on the table at 10:31. Oh, easy Abdu. And look out for Ivan here. You have to wonder about his offensive ideas. Right, hey, man. There it is. Even a handball to Amuka. And then right back to Mudu. Oh, good ball. Right back to Gabriel. Went off of, was it Z-Shot? It was Zion. Right back to Habib again. And then right back to Samir. And then right back to Habib. And then right back to Samir. Somebody spread out. Somebody talk. Look. And then Habib. And right back to Osman. Osman moving in. Good ball. Gabriel Garber for the equalizer. Lays it off Saleh. Oh, it's blocked by Z-Shot. Garber! Yes, Mudo. 1-7, please. Look out, dude. Look out here. Oh, don't give all this is dangerous. Oh, look out for Muka. Oh, be like that. No. Great. And Peter can't believe it. Body. Oh, boy. And this is going to get a little dangerous right now. This is going to get a little dangerous now. Look out for Z-Shot. Oh, look out for Mikey. Oh, no. Oh, look out for Ivan. Oh, great play on Chris by Osman. Oh, boys, out of here. Oh, no, great play there by Habib. Oh, it's a card. Oh, look out. This is a little dangerous right now. Oh, look out. Great play by Abdu Amuka. And off. And right back to Abdu. And right back to Gabriel. Gabriel right back to Habib. Away from Z-Shot. Habib threw one. And somehow Nico kept it out. And then Habib. And right back to Osman. Osman fires it right to the front. Oh! Watch the strikes and numbers. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Look out for Mikey. Yes, easily can. Yeah, this is not going to be good. Yep. Now, I wonder. Easy, Habib, easy. Okay, phew. And right back to Habib. Yeah, somebody come free. Time. And then Samir. Let's see. Oh, good ball. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Here. What's the middle? Oh, look out for Chris. Oh, and a green light in by Habib. Oh, no, look out for Ivan. Oh, this is dangerous. This is really going to get dangerous now. Oh, look out for Chris again. Great save. Oh, why did I jinx it? I believe so, because I said it first. I literally said it first. This is not how am I going to feel. Oh, look out for Muka. And the call is...
No touch, right?
Left foot. Trying to get away from his checker, Yevi. Oh, he got away also from Chris Cicareli. And then right back to Abdu again. Hey, man. A delay penalty. Easy. That's what I always say. Oh! Oh, good ball. Actually, solid. Yevi Amuka. Oh, look out for Ivan again. Oh! This is gonna get a little dangerous now. And you really have to wonder now about the middle. Oh, look out for Z-Shot. Oh, great play, Muka. Where was it up to? Pardon me. Oh, another green light in, a bone-chilling one by Solid. Man, watch right. And on him. Oh, look out there for Yevi. Oh, no. Great play there by Muka. Oh, grabbing by Abdul. Oh, was it Muka? Oh, look out. Oh, no. Great play there by Mudu on Ivan as well. Look out for Yemi! Great block there by Abdul Osman, and the call is there you go. Quickly, quickly! Lewis is back in.
Wait. 1, 2. I think we have too many.
Ooh, I don't like this. Oh, and Lewis will have to think of.
We have one too many left.
Oh, I don't. Oh, phew! What a relief. At least no delay penalty on me this time. Out! Boys, on in, please! Okay, went wide. Osman, Lewis, this in. Oh, boy. Right back to Akeem. And then right back to Abdu. Talk.
Here.
Get there, Lewis. Yeah, man. Oh, Lewis, keep it going. His first half highlights are looking good. From the second half, too. Lewis, Habib and Saleh. Saleh to Lewis. Oh! Wow! But his playmaking looks pretty good already. Track back! Oh, look out for Mikey! Out! Still 2-1. We were still hanging in there. Out! Off of Lewis. Good defense. Hey! What's right? Oh, no! What's the right? Who's watching right? I'm just got it. Okay. Oh, look out for Ivan! Oh! There you go. One too many steps. Keep going. And then right back to Akeem. And then right back to Abdu. Abdu with Saleh and Lewis. Abdu! Yes!
Good.
Abdu from well out has tied the game. 2-2. The Haiwans come all the way back. And now 2-2. Abdu his brace. 2-2. And a new life in the chapter. Oh, another green light hit there by Akeem on attack. Oh, green light in. What a hit there by Osman helping him out. In comes Akeem again. Looking for Lewis on the right. And then right back to Saleh. Saleh looking for options. And then right back to Lewis. Lewis trying to control it. And the call. Oh, to Abdu. Toraban. Yeah, as well. Right back to Peter. And right back to Akeem. Or Habib rather. Yes! Smart idea. Yeah, Lewis. Oh, good ball from Habib was there. Oh, look out! Oh, boys! Green light in by Habib. Oh. Buddy! Oh, boy. Oh, Nelly. Whew. A nail biter that's going to come to the last finishing moment. And Akeem is shaken up on the right. Oh, no! Green light in by Osman. Oh, a delay penalty, and the referee knew it. Whoa, look out for him! Oh, my God, what a save by Mudu on Mikey. What a save, though. Hey, middle! Oh, this is real dangerous. Green light in by Lewis. It's a corner. Oh, boy. Green light by Lewis again. Aizo. We're about to corner. Oh, great play, Mudu. Mudu, good ball. Grunt solid. Oh, and Zisha defense again. And now right back to Osman, Abdu. Oh, good ball. Away from Muka was Abdu. And Abdu again. Hey, man. A delay penalty. Abdu, what a play to keep his balance. Oh. What a play there by Abdu again. Does it every time on the offense. Oh, Lewis again trying to get away from his checker. And then right back to Saleh again. Saleh to run. Side netting off the pipe. And you wonder what head coach Bob will have to think about it from Canoe. Whoa! Oh, look out for Ivan again. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, look out here. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, look out here for Mikey. Oh, look out for Muka. Oh, great play there by Osman. Hey, watch Cutter. Watch Cutter. There are 3 of them. There are 3 of them. Watch for middle. Oh, this is dangerous. Look out for Muka. Oh, look out for Yemi. And look out for Zisha. Oh, stolen away. It comes Abdu with some speed and energy away from Zisha. Abdu. Oh, and he go again. Solid from the left. Fires. Block. Hey, drop. 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 Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, look out for Abdu. What's it? Ivan. Great play there by Solid. Easy. Bye. Ah, look out for attack as well. Hey, track back! Everybody track the middle! No room for marginals! Look out for Mikey! Oh, great play there by Budu. Oh, yeah. Because he needs more energy. Speaking of more energy, I'm trying to get me. All right, man. Yes, a foul. Whoa! It was a foul on Yemi and Chris. Cicareli can't believe it. And now, somebody get open. Oh, good ball. Oh, but he can punch it away. Hey, drop. Yeah, watch right here. Oh, look out for attack as well. Oh, we're behind. Well, it's every playoff atmosphere. And then right back to Peter. Peter on the byline, Habib. Oh, look out for Chris. Oh, ref. Oh, Habib might be shot. Oh, good ball. Oh, Abdu away from Yevi. Shoot. Oh, it's blocked. Rebound. Oh, it was blocked by Zishan. Oh, and Chris Cicareli was decked. Oh, look out. This is dangerous. Hey, everybody watch the red. Oh, this is real dangerous. Oh, boy. Relight him. Corner. Real dangerous. Watch red. Oh! Kamudu, go, Akeem, go. Oh, you Akeem. Akeem all the way around Zishan. Hey, man, oh. Corner. Yes! And then I wonder what Samir will have to say about the offensive. Yes, Samir, get ready to come in soon. Hey! Watch Cutter! And what's the long ball? They're gonna go long every time. No, look out here for Mikey. This is really dangerous. Yes, Habib! Go, Abdu, go! Abdu, down low. Solly on the byline. There went across. Oh, and Gabriel was blocked by Mikey. Hey, green light here. Oh, boy, and Chris can't believe it. What? Oh! Oh, this is real dangerous. Oh, look out for Chris again. Oh, great play by Peter. Oh, look out for Muka. Everybody track. Hey, watch. Oh, yes, Gabriel. Go, Gabriel. Green light it. Oh, green light it. There's a delay penalty. Oh, boy. Track back. Wait, why by Chris? Abdu, who's already had 2 already. Abdu with some options. Hey! What? I don't get it. Centering pass always blocked by Ivan. Hey, watch long ball. Hey, watch right. Oh, shit. Watch the right. Oh, look out for Ivan. Oh, great play there by Osman. On attack at Mikey. Oh, no. Not today, says the referee. Not today. Oh, and then Gabriel. Oh, boy. Out! Oh, this is real. They look out for attack at Mikey. Oh, look out for Yemi. Oh, wait, wide.
Game.
We need to talk. We need to talk. Oh. Oh, this is real dangerous. Oh, look out for Mikey. Oh, shit. Oh, great play, Voodoo. Oh, and there's Abdu again. Abdu. Oh, trying to get out, boys. Oh, no. Oh, look out there for Chris again. Oh, yes. Oh, look out for Yevi. Look out for the long ball. Oh, look out for Peter. That's yours. Yes, Peter, that's yours. Get the ball. Oh, he got away from Mikey and attack again. And then right back to Gabriel. Go, Gabriel. Go, Gabriel. Good pass. Right back to Abdu. Abdu. Aizo. Oh, Abdu. Aizo. Habib. Aizo. Holds. Trying to get away from Z shot. Habib. Options. Cross the ball. Pass. Peter. Shoot around Yevi. Hey. And then Peter. And then Gabriel. Holds. Fires. Right back to Habib. Oh, fires wide. Oh, this is real dangerous. Yes, Samir. Options, Habib. Oh, boy. Oh, this is real dangerous. Oh, green light in by Gabriel on attack. Oh, no. Look out for attack. Oh, no. Oh, my God. What a play by Samir at the goal line. Go, go, Abdu. Go, Abdu. Go. Oh, good ball. Solid. Hold. Hold. Corner. Boom that. Boom that. Abdu. Hold. Knows it. Fires. Oh, it's blocked. Oh, look out for Mikey. Track back. Great play by Mudu. And it's only talk, boys. Talk. And then, oh, good ball. Defense again. Yeah, that's you, Abdu. Yes. Oh, yeah, Abdu. And Habib. Hold. Down low. Shooting from close range. Oh. Hey. Drag back. That's Habib. Osman. Drag back. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Look out for him, Chris. Whoa. Oh. Hey. See? 3-2 for Canoe with only a minute left to go. Next! Oh! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Let's go, let's go.
1 minute, I knew it. I knew it. Oh boy. I wonder what really has to be figurative now. And then right back to Gabriel. And now Samir in the final minute. And then right back to Abdu. And then Akeem. 40 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Oh, it's blocked. Drop boys! No! Look out for Ivan! Oh, no! Great play by Mudu. What a save. Boys! Everybody drop! Why are we not covering the left? Oh, no! Okay, good save, Mudu. Up, touch up, dude, that's yours! Oh, boy. I couldn't believe what I just saw. Let me get this straight. Oh, dang it! Canoe has won it at the end of the day. They've won it at the last minute. Unbelievable. Well, now the Haiwans will likely finish in second place to end the season with one more game versus Areola Grande next week at 9 p.m. And this is unbelievable. Chris Cicareli, with all the time of the world, wins it for Canoe, and they'll finish first place in the Division 1 standings. His goal proved to be the difference. Yep, and I knew it. I couldn't figure it out, but this is the most gut-wrenching loss I've ever seen. It's tough to figure out, but now I don't know what to say. I came so close, but in the end I fall to Canoe FC and Chris Cicareli as they win it 3-2. And now the Haiwans will finish second place in the Division 1 standings. I'm out. Bye.